Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, with all your strength. How? By going to church more? By showing up at more Bible studies? That might help you, actually, because the Word of God is where we get to know Him. And I cannot love Him unless I know Him. Do you want to love God with all your heart? Get to know Him. I guarantee if you pursue God by opening the Word to find out who God is, not who you are, not to try and find an answer to your problem, which is transactional, when you just open it, I mean, that is there. But I'm saying, first of all, let's open it to say, God, just reveal yourself to me. Because if you look at it through your lens, you're going to come up with, I don't like this God. Especially if you read the Old Testament, you'll miss who God is. When I read the Old Testament, I weep because the love of God is so incredible. Nobody treats me like God does. Nobody treats people like God does. And yet He gets the bad rap for everything that goes wrong. God is not against you. He is for you.